I saw just black smoke coming up, and then there were some flames to the right side of the stairwell.
Kyle Craig jumped into action seconds after an explosion inside his family's West Bend home Monday.
We could hear her yelling. She was still alive down there.
His 18-year-old sister Lydia, who has Down syndrome, loves listening to music in the basement. She was trapped. Kyle came outside and actually punched in the window here, but because of the heat and smoke, had to wait for firefighters to arrive.
Her time was very short.
Firefighters Al Hefter and Kyle Demler were there in minutes. Lydia's brother told them where to go.
For him to say where the staircase is, go down the hallway, take your right, head down, saved a lot of valuable time.
As I got to her, she took a breath, which made me know that she was still alive.
The cause of the explosion believed to be a faulty dehumidifier. Lydia suffered smoke inhalation. Dad witnessing a special moment between Kyle and Lydia in the hospital.
He was talking to her, and she was looking up at him, and it was, I don't think I've ever seen anything so precious in my whole life.
Their church, Falls Baptist, stepping up, helping with housing and clothing.
Just thrilling to me, and it's more than just a little bit of compassion. I mean, it has been serious work.
The community was tremendous, and the faith community was outstanding.
In West Bend, Ben Hutchison, WISN 12 News.